Rocket Zoom, written by Margaret Mayo and Alex Aliff. Mighty rockets are good at zooming. 5, 4, 3, 2, and lift off. Launching, vroom. Up they go, zooming, blasting into space. Clever astronauts are good at guiding, watching the controls and waiting. Then, boom! Booster rocket firing, traveling deep in space. Lunar modules are good at tricky moon landings. They leave the spaceship swooping, descending. Those spider legs ready for BAM! Safe landing, touching down in space. Excited astronauts are good at moonwalking, bouncing, bounding, whoops, no falling. As they scoop up moon rocks, carefully collecting, they can work in space. Moon buggies are good at rolling, round the wheels turning, soft dust gripping. Across the Humpty Lumpty moon, bumpty bumping, driving up in space. Space shuttles are good at big loads moving. They hurtle upwards, booming, thundering, off to a space station for fast unloading, carrying tools through space. Space stations are good places for living, somewhere for eating, working, and sleeping, and whoopee, weightless, somersaulting, a home well up in space. Bold astronauts are good at spacewalking. They have fun, arms waving, slowly moving, almost dancing. And they can work building and repairing, floating up in space. Space satellites are good at round the Earth orbiting, taking pictures for weather forecasting. Signals receiving and waves to TVs beaming, circling up in space. Robot spacecraft are good at speeding. Powered by the sun, they keep on flying, reaching distant planets and even landing, moving fast through space. Robot rovers are good at roaming. They travel over Mars, searching, measuring, red deserts, finding, and mountains discovering, exploring deep in space. When the night has come and the moon shines bright, reflecting down on Earth our sun's great light, become a space explorer, watch the stars in the sky, and look out for satellites just slowly gliding by. That's the end of this lovely book. Hope you have enjoyed listening to it. And thank you for coming to Sophie's birthday party. And we will see you next time. Kakite, bye bye. 再见，安妞。